This is my 2011 birthday. Mike Jones. See you later. Alright. First off, I have my ODI long necks in red. Very nice.
Baby.
I have my Eastern bars. I don't know what kind of Eastern bars, but they are Eastern. I have a Verde stem with some hollow bolts. See right through the end? No, you can't. Whatever, fuck it. Stock Verde forks. FSA headset. I have a Redline rim, Redline hub. I have a Sputnik pivotal C-post, a Duo C-post, and then I have an Eastern C-clamp. I have Colony bottom bracket, some Black Label cranks, Twisted PCs. Very good. I like them. In the back, actually, I have an Animal GLH tire, 2.10. Now, let me turn this around. Oh God! Hold on. This is hard to do with one hand. Tits ass. Fuck, hold on. What the Alright. I have an Animal Sprocket Balboa Sprocket, a KMC white chain, I don't know, I found this rim, and it's good, and a pitch rod 2.25, and what else am I missing? Yeah, that's about it. But let me show you what the hub sounds like, because everyone wants to know what the hub sounds like. So let's put this over here.
Right here, Macadelic.
And here we go.
Macadelic. Right here.
It's quite loud, I guess. You want to say? Not really loud, but yeah. This is my bike check, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Come again.